Welcome to this 10-minute walking meditation. Walking meditation is a great way to bring your mindfulness practice into the world. We can practice mindful walking anytime, as we're going for a casual stroll or even as we head to work in the morning. The objective is to be awake and present during our walk, no matter how long or short it is. When we're walking mindfully, we notice things we normally wouldn't. Our experience becomes richer. Sounds and smells are sharper. Colors are brighter. We tune into our body in a whole new way. All we have to do is pay attention. If you're not already in motion, begin your walk now. Bring your attention to the lower part of your body and simply notice the movement involved in walking. First, your heel lifts. The sole of your foot peels off the ground. Then the ball of your foot raises and your toes follow. Notice how each step feels. Feel into the balls and soles of your feet as you take each step. See if you're able to notice all 10 toes. Observe if you walk lightly or if there's a heaviness to each step. Whether your pace is fast or slow, plant each foot firmly on the ground, taking conscious, deliberate steps. Now bring your attention to how your weight shifts from side to side as you walk, and which muscles have to work to balance your body as you take each step. And we'll expand our focus from our legs and feet to our entire body as a whole. The first thing you might notice is that your entire body moves as you walk, not just your legs. Feel how your arms move as they swing gently by your sides. Notice how your shoulders, chest, abdomen, and hips move with your body as you walk. If you'd like, feel free to experiment with changing up your pace. The slower you walk, the more sensations you'll likely notice. But if you're walking swiftly, you can still bring lots of mindfulness to your gait. Notice if your experience varies. Now, observing tactile sensations, notice if the surface you're walking on is hard or soft. Do you notice a cool or warm breeze in the air? Is the sun warming your body? Do you feel rain or snow against your skin? Now, expand your awareness to sight. Begin to notice everything around you. Observe people, animals, the beauty of nature, houses, buildings, any form of transportation. Observe all the shapes and colors. Take in your surroundings with the perspective of beginner's mind, with curiosity, wonder, and amazement, as though it were your first time observing anything within this present moment scene. Bring awareness to the smells in the air now, strong or subtle, pleasant or unpleasant. Tune into all the scents within this moment. Now shift your attention to sound, tuning in to all the sounds around you, hearing them as they arise, loud or quiet. Tune into all sound ebbing and flowing nearby. And for these last few moments, come into full sensory awareness. Tune into sights, sounds, sensations, and smells. Wake to the entire sensory experience. And as we near the end of this mindful walking session, take a moment to notice how you feel. I hope you feel relaxed, alert, and refreshed. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the benefits of being present.